8 minus 5 times 2 plus 10. 8 minus 5 will give us 3. Then we have 3 times 2 plus 10. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then we have 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 will give us 16. 16 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our multiplication, which is 5 times 2. 5 times 2 will give us 10. Then we have 8 minus 10 plus 10. Now we are going to work from our left to our right because subtraction and addition have equal priorities. 8 minus 10 will give us a negative 2. Then we have negative 2 plus 10. Negative 2 plus 10 will give us 8. 8 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.